Hey guys, how's it going? Thad Shoemaker Guitar Works here. Hey, I just kind of wanted to show you guys this. This is the Martin I've been working on for a few months here, and did the neck was broken right here, and had to do the repair. Aside from the lacquer being just a shade darker, you can't tell. It was also the back was broken. This whole corner was broken out over here, and I was able to fix that and repair the binding. The binding has one little tiny crack in here, but that's the only real damage that happened over there. Still needs a final buff, but it's got strings on it now, and I just wanted to show you what a beautiful sounding guitar this is. This is 1977 Martin D35. A lot of tune. Only had strings on it for about 20 minutes. Great guitar. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.